Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12, and today I'll show you how you can change notification bar icons. So we have to tap at the first right here on the three dots and then go for the button order. So as you can see, we can easily change it by moving this icons like that. So for example, if you want to get location on the upper section of the screen, just put it here. Just pick here your favorite and the most useful icons, and that's how it will look in my case. And of course, if you want to remove one of these icons, just click hold and then drag it right here, and then if you click done, it will be saved. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.